Okay, so the topic we're talking about next is the Internet of Things, also called IoT. IoT is a network of uniquely identifiable things that can communicate without human interaction. So that's things like Amazon's Echo, these new dash buttons that you can sometimes see, where by pressing them they might order a product, or it might be something like a Nest controller or a high thermostat. The market for IoTs is $1 trillion, with 25 billion IoTs predicted by 2020, and this is a statistic according to Gartner. So what are IoT benefits in relation to customer experience? Well, they generate enormous amounts of real-time insights from that data. So for example, during the recent Olympic Games in Brazil, IoTs were distributed around Rio de Janeiro, monitoring things like air pollution. And you could then just go on an app on your phone and you would know which areas to avoid. There's lots of applications where different bands are used as healthcare devices. So perhaps if a user is diabetic, they could get a warning to say take your insulin, or maybe if an elderly person was to fall or faint, a device could actually ring emergency services. So remember, what's going to happen next in the future is there's going to be lots of proactive support services generated by these devices. So things like central heating systems will actually go and log a support ticket to say that a component is not working optimally, and it will then go and create a support ticket for you. Now in the future, we actually see these devices even negotiating repairs with different service providers that might be able to actually swap out that fault. And ultimately this is all about increasing productivity and improving process automation.